We have to see the extraocular muscle. So basically, this is our part of the anterior canal fossa, and this is the orbital part of the frontal bone. Okay, so for seeing the content of orbit, we have to remove this bone. So we have removed this bone with the help of chisel and hammer, and after removing, reflecting this, I already shown you. This is the periorbital fascia and fat. Okay, so after removing the periorbital fascia and fat, what we are getting here, this is basically, this is right eye, this is left eye. Okay, and this whole is our one orbit, structure of one orbit, left side. So this is the medial side, because this is the crista galli. So this is the medial side, this is the lateral side. Okay, ये medial side है, ये lateral side है. So after removing this periorbital fascia and fat, what we are having, the first structure which you will able to see is this nerve. ठीक है, this is the frontal nerve. We know the ophthalmic division of trigeminal nerve is dividing into three branches: frontal nerve, lacrimal nerve, and nasociliary. The third one is the nasociliary nerve, which is seen from in the deeper aspect. Okay, so this is our frontal nerve. So we have just reflected this. Just beneath the frontal nerve, the next muscle which you are having is your LPS, levator palpebrae superioris muscle. Just beneath the frontal nerve we are having LPS. After reflecting LPS, what you are having is our superior rectus muscle. This is our superior rectus muscle. So you can see this nerve supply of LPS. So basically oculomotor nerve, upper division of oculomotor nerve will supply the LPS and superior rectus muscle. Okay, so frontal nerve, LPS, superior rectus. What else you are able to see here is this muscle. This is the medial aspect, no? This is the medial border. This is our superior oblique muscle. Superior oblique muscle and its tendon. Here is the fibrous pulley around which this tendon will move. Then over the medial aspect, this muscle, this is your lateral rectus muscle. Okay, so this is your lateral over lateral aspect, sorry, lateral aspect पे lateral rectus muscle, ये lateral rectus. Then what else? Beneath the superior oblique, so beneath the, this is our superior oblique muscle ना, over the medial aspect. इसके just नीचे what you are able to see, this muscle, this muscle, this is our medial rectus muscle. This is our medial rectus muscle. So in total we are having 4 recti and 2 obliques. Okay, so this is medial rectus. So medial rectus, and इसके और डीप में जाएंगे तो we will get inferior rectus. So medial rectus, inferior rectus, inferior oblique, they all are supplied by the inferior division of oculomotor nerve, because there is a funda SO4 LR6. Superior oblique muscle is supplied by the trochlear nerve. You can see the nerve supply of superior oblique here. This is the superior oblique muscle and this is the trochlear nerve. So superior oblique is supplied by the trochlear nerve. Then LR6, lateral side पे, this is our lateral rectus. It is supplied by abducent nerve. Okay, you can see here. Then okay, I will show you abducent nerve in few seconds. So in total, this is the lateral rectus. Again, superior rectus I have shown you, and this is the medial rectus. और beneath that we are having the inferior rectus. अब इसके अलावा और हमें क्या दिख रहा है यहाँ पे? Now let us come to various nerves. So this is our optic nerve. We have just reflected LPS, superior rectus. This is ophthalmic vein which we have cut. Ophthalmic vein, इसको हमने कट करा. You just see, concentrate over this deeper part. This is our optic nerve. This is our optic nerve, along with 3 meninges, layer of meninges. Then this is our nasociliary nerve. Okay, it is crossing the optic nerve. This is the nasociliary nerve, and beneath that what you are able to see is the ophthalmic artery. We will not concentrate over the various branches of ophthalmic artery. We just concentrate here. This is the nasociliary nerve. So basically, ophthalmic division of trigeminal nerve is having 3 branches. This is the lacrimal nerve, nasociliary, and the frontal. Okay, if you concentrate over here, so you will be able to see various fine branches which is running here, and they are coming through the nasociliary. So basically they are long ciliary nerve, the branches of nasociliary nerve. And here you can also see the division, various division of nasociliary. They are the ethmoidal nerves, anterior posterior ethmoidal nerves, long ciliary nerve. Then we again come to the lateral aspect. This was our lateral rectus. So in between the lateral rectus muscle and the optic nerve, what you are able to see is the ciliary ganglia. This is the ciliary ganglia. So for seeing complete, we have to remove this structure too. What we are going to see is the ciliary ganglia. Okay, ciliary ganglia. So first orient yourself. This is our lateral rectus muscle. This is our optic nerve. So for seeing the ciliary ganglia, we will find in between optic nerve medially and lateral rectus laterally. You can see this nerve. This is your abducens nerve, which is going to supply this lateral rectus muscle, ये वाली nerve. ठीक है. So this was our nasociliary nerve. So this ciliary ganglia, topographically it is related with the nasociliary nerve. इसको और जो मेन गैंग्लिया हैं वो और डीप में मिलेगा हमको यहाँ, समवॉट हियर. थोड़ा ऊपर से दिखाओ. ठीक है. So here, somewhat here, this is our ciliary ganglia. So topographically it is related with this nerve, that is the nasociliary nerve, and the ciliary ganglia, it will receive sensory fibers from this nasociliary nerve, but its parasympathetic fiber or functionally it is related with the oculomotor nerve. So parasympathetic preganglionic fibers are coming to this ciliary ganglia through the nerve which supply the inferior oblique muscle. Okay, so this was the ciliary ganglia, or what you are able to see here, this short nerve, they are known as the short ciliary nerve. Short ciliary nerve. So basically what happened in this ciliary ganglion, the preganglionic parasympathetic fiber are coming from the nerve to the inferior oblique muscle. Then the fiber, then they will relay into the ciliary ganglion. Then from here, postganglionic fibers are running along this short ciliary nerve, and they are going to supply ciliary muscles and sphincter pupillae muscle, sphincter pupillae and the ciliary muscle. ये these are the short ciliary nerve. ये देखो अच्छे से दिख रहा है. These are the short ciliary nerve coming from ciliary ganglion, and this was the nasociliary nerve, as I told you. So the branches of nasociliary, what you can see here, these are these minute branches. They are the long ciliary nerve. These are the long ciliary nerve, and it's these branches anterior ethmoidal and posterior ethmoidal, anterior ethmoidal and posterior ethmoidal branches. Okay, so this was the ciliary ganglion. Ciliary ganglion, optic nerve, nasociliary nerve, frontal nerve, lacrimal nerve, abducent nerve, lateral rectus muscle, ophthalmic artery, nasociliary, superior oblique muscle, its tendon, it is going through this fibrous pulley. Then medial rectus muscle, then superficial में LPS and superior rectus. These are the upper division of oculomotor nerve. What else? Ophthalmic vein. Now to see the inferior oblique, we have to dissect from front side. As we have already discussed about the many muscles, I am just going to show you the insertion of this LPS muscle, superior oblique, and little bit about the inferior oblique muscle. So basically, as I told you, 4 recti muscles, superior rectus, inferior rectus, medial or lateral rectus, and 2 obliques, superior oblique and inferior oblique, and then this LPS muscle. So this is the origin of LPS muscle. Then from here the fiber is going and it will form the flat margin, flat aponeurosis. You can see flat aponeurosis. Then this aponeurosis, it is having the medial margin and the lateral margin. Okay, so the medial margin, it is going for its insertion here in the medial palpebral ligament, and this lateral margin, it is divide the lacrimal gland into the orbital part and palpebral part, and ultimately it is going for its insertion here. Over the lateral side there is a Whitnell tubercle. Okay, so this is the insertion of LPS. Then this was the superior oblique muscle, as I already told you. Now then it is arise from here. This the lesser wing of sphenoid is here, so from here it will arise, then fiber will go, then they will form the tendinous tendon that will surround the tendinous fibrocartilaginous pulley, tendinous pulley को surround करते हुए, then they will go for its insertion into the beneath the equator at the posterior superior quadrant of eyeball. Like that, our another oblique muscle is this muscle. This is the inferior oblique muscle. This is the inferior oblique muscle. It is arise from the floor of the orbit, just near to the opening of nasolacrimal duct. The fiber is going then taking a curve and going upwards and backward, and they are going for its insertion into the same at the posterior superior quadrant of eyeball. Means at the posterior superior quadrant of eyeball, the superior oblique and inferior oblique are close to each other. So this was our inferior oblique muscle. So this is how we have seen all the muscle. I am just going to name all the muscle: LPS, superior oblique, medial rectus, superior rectus, lateral rectus, इसके नीचे inferior rectus, then inferior oblique muscle.